kitchen. We are preparing to make some pilau. This is going to be our first time making pilau.
Actually, first time. My time, yeah, I know how to a little bit cook. Not so special, not so like I'm a chef, but I'm a chef a little bit.
You know, I'm a little worried because when we were at the store, somebody did not get all of the ingredients.
Because we don't have all the ingredients in America. This is a swahili dish, so we don't have actually all the ingredients. We just have to get what we get.
So I'm a little worried that it may not come out right.
It will come out right, believe me. It will be the best pilau you'll ever see.
We shall see.
Somebody's gonna bite their tongue.
I hope I'm doing a lot of biting because I'm real hungry.
Yeah. Because what we are doing right now, I'm just slicing. We'll show you in a minute. I'm just slicing the tomatoes. I like my food to look delicious.
Slicing tomatoes.
Delicious. We have this instrument here. You don't have to use the knife to cut everything. You just do like that. Onions, like you see how these onions look. So, and this one will show you the finished product, and this make it easier and make it faster when you're trying to cook. I like this thing. It's American life, you know. If it was back home, we'll just take a knife and be cutting everything. But it dices so good, so it's a good thing.
Yeah, I love that dicer too. It saves a lot of time.
I showed my wife.
Yes, I love it. I love anything that'll save me some time.
Yeah, we have our judge.
We have a guest over here.
We have the judge guest here.
Yeah.
She's trying to see what we're doing.
Yeah, you know, we have to bring him in here and put him in this little seat because that's the only way he'll act right.
Because this mama boy, I don't act right when mama is five minutes away. So
yeah, so
we have to have a chef with us, not a chef, a supervisor.
He's our food critic.
Where's the blue one?
We got two of them in there. One is on the bottom, one's at the top.
What top?
Babe, look, one is right here, and the bigger one is down there.
Yeah, we got blue band from back in Africa. But guys, we have everything because I have Royco, I have Royco cubes, I have curry powder, I have all those things from home. I can buy them from Amazon. So I don't stress about the spices from back home. So we pretty much have most of the stuff over here. Even ugali. I cook ugali with sukuma wiki. That's my favorite food.
It's growing on me. Let's say that.
Somebody doesn't like ugali. You know,
it's growing on me. I ate a lot more of it the other day. Like I ate half of what he made.
No, he was hungry.
I was real hungry.
He was hungry. So
I was real hungry. That's why, because I was hungry. Mm-hmm. I was real hungry.
Or else he could have been like, put some sugar.
Yeah, I would have been like, let's put a little sugar on this. Give it a little
if we put
flavor.
sugar, what we call it, uji.
Oh, that's called uji if you put sugar?
Porridge.
Oh, porridge.
Yeah.
See, our cornbread is sweet. And I make that for him all the time.
Everything over here is sweet. They put sugar in literally everything. Have you ever seen somebody putting sugar in rice?
Yes. That's how they eat rice over here. Either they put sugar on it or they put gravy. So you have rice and gravy, or you just have rice with sugar on it.
People don't know what gravy is in Africa.
They don't know what gravy is?
I don't think so.
Are you sure?
I don't know. Yeah, it's just like gravy is, how can I explain it? It's
I don't know.
like something they put on top of food, like
Yeah, yeah, like a sauce topping.
Sauce topping, yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
So give me the big thing, the big thing I can put this.
What are you asking for? The big thing, the big thing. That's how he gives me directions. He say the big thing or the little thing or that thing, and I'm like, what thing? What thing? I have no clue. So what you doing? What's this?
So this is bell pepper.
Oh, look at that.
Green bell pepper mixture, all kind of bell peppers. I like them like that. It make the soup. If you make a soup with this, try one day. Beef stew, and then you put this is bell pepper. You see it's green, and this is onions. You got two cut onions, and now the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure onions are not onions, tomato.
Tomatoes.
Yeah, tomatoes are well diced. They say diced tomato.
Diced tomatoes.
Yeah, we have this instrument here that makes it much more easier to do the work. So instead of buying the one from industrial manufactured diced tomato, you just buy tomato from the Mexican store and make it. So actually our pilau is cooking. We're cooking beef pilau. The beef is actually boiling right now, and then after that, those people who know how to make pilau, they know what's gonna be next.
So you boil?
Yeah, we boil the meat so that it can be tender. Yeah, you have to make the meat tender. So it's actually a Swahili dish, and it's famous in the coastal part of Kenya, but people like it.
I liked it when I tried it. I liked that.
Yeah,
That was one of the first Swahili dish. I was like, yeah.
Yeah, we actually used to buy one plate for $30. You can imagine 3,000.
And what's the other mimosa?
Samosa.
Samosa.
Yeah.
I always want to say mimosa. But yes, samosa. I love samosa. Whether it's meat in it or veggies, I love it.
These are all finished products. This is onion, and we have here bell peppers, all kind of bell peppers, red, yellow, and green. I mix them, all of them. I like them like that. And this is tomato. And we have potatoes here, viazi.
Potatoes.
So I have two of them, and I'll make them. And on the other side, we have all the herbs. We have pilau masala. You all know the pilau masala, the one I'll be using. We get this from Amazon. And we have chicken masala. And we have everything over here. We have garlic. We have ground ginger. We have cinnamon. And of course, we can't miss Roycomb Choosy Mix. So we pretty much have everything. And we also have gloves. And our meat is boiling.
Hey, say that again.
Gloves. I don't know. Is that gloves or what do we
Gloves.
Gloves. I'm sorry. I'm used to say gloves from my job, My land of Didi, I'm used to say gloves. It's cloves, not gloves. I'm sorry. I'm African. I have
Cloves.
The meat is boiling here. So we're gonna boil the meat well. Cook it real tender. So you don't have to be tough when we're eating. So far so good. That's where the point we're at right now. Yeah, Continue to cook. We'll show you the finished product and then you'll tell us, did we do a good job or not?
Yes.
Stay locked in. So here we are cooking onions. We have to cook it until you get a brown color. You see how it is now? I put here onion, I put garlic. And since mine I'm cooking conventional, when it's like that, I'll take my peppers, because I want peppers on mine, and I'll pour the whole thing on. I'll let it saute for like 2-3 minutes. I'll let it saute.
That smells good.
I'll let it saute there for some few minutes. As you can see, everything is ready now. There is tomato here, tomato, cilantro, we call it dania, and I have my potatoes here ready.
What do you call it, babe?
Dania.
Dania.
And
Our meat's ready too.
our meat is ready. You have to take the water out after you boil. You don't pour the water out. You put it separate and meat is ready, and then you wait for that to saute. And then when it's saute completely is when you put your meat on top.
Oh, okay.
I prefer putting my meat on top there, then saute a little bit with garlic, onions, and the bell peppers. So when you do that, see now, see how it just saute a little bit,
Yeah.
and the smell, yeah, you can smell that.
Smells good.
Yeah. So when it does like that, so you get your meat.
Ah.
I put my meat there. And I let it, I'm not gonna stir it now, for some few minutes. I let it saute with that steam to come up and go for the meat, and just some few minutes, and then I'll koroga. I mix it. And then I put my tomato, onion, and those things, and then I let it saute. So this is not the conventional the way we cook it regularly, but I'm just trying to add more flavor to my food, you know, so that it can like get better, you know. It's home cooked, so you can maneuver your recipe the way you want, but this is, I'm telling you, is the bomb. Believe me.
I know I can't wait to eat.
Yeah, it's a home weekend and you stay with family, you cook, you enjoy. A moment like this are rare and are so appreciable. So you see how it looks? It looks good.
Yeah, I do.
So this is meat and all this kind of good stuff. I will put dania, cilantro. I cover it completely with dania. Lastly, I'll put my tomato on top of it. Most people don't put tomato, but man, so that's my recipe. So I'll let it saute there for like 5-10 minutes, and then 5-10 minutes, and then I'll put the soup on, and then when I put the soup on, I'll put my Bayas, potatoes, and then rice, and I'll let it cook, and we'll be almost there. So I'm gonna cut my Bayas small so that.
What you call them, babe?
Viazi.
Viazi.
Yeah.
That's potato
Right.
in Swahili.
Yeah. Because I love cooking. It's next to nature. I cut to you like a chef. You don't cut the way I'm cutting this one. You're supposed to cut this way. This is how you cut it. This way. Backward. But anyway, it's home cooking, so we just cut the way you want. So I'm gonna put this one on top.
On top, eh?
Continue simmering as I can start now cleaning my kitchen because I need 2 cups full of rice. We have basmati rice. This is the kind of rice we use. I'll show you. This is basmati rice. It's good.
Yes,
Good.
it is. It's really good.
So we kind of use that, and we have all the masalas. We have garlic. Now I put my spices.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, smell that?
Yeah, I smell it.
There's one that I haven't put, which is on that.
It's what?
Pilau masala. I haven't
The
put
pilau, yes.
So.
Yeah,
I'll
you
wash
smell
my
those
things
seasonings.
And get some rice ready. I put rice. I let it boil a little bit, then I put rice.
Okay.
Once it start boiling, and we'll show you the finished product. Look at it.
Oh, I see the rice. Okay. It's coming together now, y'all. It's smelling really good.
Yeah, the smell is good. Yes?
The
I
steam.
told you the problem is cooking this thing. It takes a lot of time. That's why I don't like, but it's on point. I can promise.
Lexa. Lexa. You gonna try some pilau with me?
Ask Alexa, not me.
You gonna try some pilau with me? Why?
No, try it, it's good.
You haven't even tried it. You're already shaking your head no. We're gonna try a little bit. Yeah. We're gonna try a little bit. I bet you'll like it. I am gonna taste it.
No, you taste it first.
Okay. I'll taste it first. See? I'm gonna taste it first. Hold me tasting it first. You got it on me? Let me get a little meat. I like meat.
No. Next time you gonna no, get it without the meat.
You don't want me to have no meat? Okay.
No, because I wanted you to try the potato and the rice.
Okay, potato. Okay.
What is wrong about this thing? Because
At first to see how it tastes. I already knew you were gonna like it.
Now your turn. Please. Your turn.
You gotta give me $5 bill.
I don't have to give you no money. You gonna try it. Taste it. We're gonna taste it. You had never tried this. Let's try it. Just a little bit.
Is that rice?
Get you some and taste it. Just a little bit.
I tried only potato, but it's good.
You like it with the potato?
No, I just tasted a potato. I just tasted a potato.
Well, that potato has all the seasonings on it.
So the potatoes.
So if you like the potato part, then you like all of it. Oh my gosh.
Now I'm gonna try the rice.
Okay.
Stop.
How you not gonna like it with the rice, but you like the potato? That makes no sense. Well, at least you tried it. I personally thought it was delish. So everyone, this is the finished result of our pilau dish. And I guess for a first time run, I think it's But hi guys, thank you all for joining us for Cooking with the Bayas. And we look forward to seeing you all again. We hope you enjoyed this episode. We wanted to try something a little differently. So we hope you enjoyed the episode.